I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming X-Plane and the Zibo 737 mod are up to date, because mismatched versions break databases. Once done, make a backup of your entire Zibo folder and the FMS database. This protects you if something goes wrong. Next, download the current ARAC cycle from Navigraph or your provider and save it to a known folder. Make sure the archive is complete and note the cycle number. This tells you what gets installed into the FMC and prevents version confusion later. Now you move the ARAC into Zibo's FMS. Open the Navigraph FMS Data Manager or your chosen FMS data loader inside X-Plane and point it at the downloaded ARAC archive. Choose the Zibo FMS installation path, typically inside the Zibo Aircraft folder or the Global Data folder, and run the install. Make sure the tool reports successful file replacements and preserve the folder structure exactly. Once installed, don't start a flight yet. You need to restart X-Plane so the plugin and the new database finish by restarting X-Plane, loading the Zibo 737, and opening the FMC to verify the Nav database and cycle number. You should be able to find recent SIDs, star, and approaches. Test a simple flight plan to confirm waypoints and nav aids appear correctly. If something is wrong, restore your backup, then check that files went into the correct Zibo or Global FMS folder. Confirm the plugin has file system permission, and rerun the installer. This quick restore prevents long downtime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.